of ways that we can limit the use of API keys. So we can obviously rate limit them. We can set a manual expiry, or a popular option I also see is a custom Lua plugin. So let's start with the rate limiting first, and then we'll see how we go, and then we'll jump on to the other topics. Okay, so what we are doing essentially over here is that the same test service, we are rate limiting this to 10 minutes. And essentially, this allows only 10 requests per minute per API key. And once the limit is reached, the access is blocked, right? So basically, the 11th request to this API, the access will be blocked. So let's see this in action. So for that, I'm going to now. So let's first execute this. I've applied this policy, and this confirms that the policy is applied. And then I'll run a for loop essentially, and this will go from 1 up till 11, and it will essentially call this key. And let me just make sure I'm calling it with the right key. So my key would be my fixed key, and let's call it. So let me see the output. It's obviously called it, and then it's stopped. And now if I call this key again, so I've got a couple of outputs, but let me call this again and have a look. Yeah, let's just run that. Um, and obviously rate limit is exceeded. So it does a couple of tries in the loop. So let me just change the loop. So I can see the whole input in one screen. 1, 2, 1. And if I run it up to 11, see. So I'll keep calling. So towards the end, after the 10th time it called the API key, it exceeded the rate limit. All right. So yeah, that is how you apply essentially rate limits to your API keys.